Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zeke, and for this video it's gonna be a voiceover video because I wasn't really prepared when I was filming all of this clip. So yeah, for today's video I just want to show you guys my blueberry plant. I recently bought this plant and I just want to film the growth development of this plant. This is the one that I chose. It only cost me about like £5.50. This is the plant. 3 days later, it started to grow some small leaves. And 7 days after I bought the plant, this is how it looked like. The leaves and branches are starting to spread out a little bit. And as you can see, this is how the plant looked like a few days later. More leaves and it's getting bushy. Hopefully it will grow some flowers this spring. And hopefully I will get to taste some blueberries from this plant because I never had a blueberry plant before. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe and make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned to see if I'm gonna get some blueberries or not. But I will definitely gonna make an update about this plant, so stay tuned. Bye.